How to fix we cannot send a text message to this number on Twitter app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix we cannot send a text message to this number on Twitter. Now, first, to solve it, what you want to do is scroll down your notification bar and head into settings by tapping on the settings icon that you can find at the top right corner. And once in settings, scroll down all the way below and head into apps, and on apps what you want to do is search in for Twitter, or you can scroll down and search for Twitter and head into Twitter app info. Here what you want to do is first on the uses, tap on mobile data and make sure it's enabled. All options is enabled. Allow background data uses, allow data uses, while data saver is on. And head into stories. You can see under uses the same option, stories. Here tap on it and clear your data. Simply tap on clear data and tap on delete. And once you do this, what you want to do is head back to the Play Store and search in for Twitter and update if the update is available. And once you do this, if you open up the Twitter app, you should be good to go and you won't get the error saying we cannot send a text message to this number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.